Good morning, or whatever the appropriate greeting is for your time zone. It's morning, Wednesday morning in my time zone, and I'm finding my steps into this day, and I'm realizing, like, I was super tired when I woke up, and I'm just realizing that I'm needing to attune to what are the steps to my feeling more nourished and more resilient today. So I'm finding those steps. And one of them is to post another video that I was not expecting to post, and that is this. I have been having these short conversations with people from this community, and it seems like the trend that's been happening is people sign up for my newsletter, and then I reach out and invite them to have a 15-minute Zoom so that I can meet them. And so I've been having all of these 15-minute Zoom calls meeting you amazing people. And honestly, I'm really deeply touched by what people are saying. So two of the calls that I had yesterday particularly moved my heart, and that is what has prompted me to just to post a little bit more informal video this morning, so that I can be in right alignment with my day today. So one of the people that I talked with shared about the struggles of being married to a Trump supporter. And I don't know how many people are in that situation, but I wouldn't be surprised if there is a large number of Americans who are in that situation, or with a close family member. And some people have even posted about that in the comments. So I would like to just share what my thoughts are about the situation. If anything here resonates for you, then maybe there can be something that can be of help for you. The first thing is, take a look at your spouse. Are they deeply struggling? Are they depressed? Are they really going through a hard time? And I bet you're going to say yes. And I know that when we enter into something like marriage, the ideal that we've stepped into is that we are partners in this life journey. We work together through life's challenges. Like, that's the ideal. And in a situation like this, when your spouse has voted for Trump, it illuminates a deeper level, I think, of the marriage. So in this situation, you have to understand that your spouse is, the language we've been developing in this channel is not in their heart. You can take a look at why did they vote for Trump? And it's likely that it's going to be reasons that are very much self-centered, about them and not about the collective, not about a place of love, but a defensive situation of needing to meet some powerful fear within them or something like that. Like, if you look at their reasons for voting for Trump, it was very likely about selfish reasons. And I should use a better word than selfish, because honestly, these people are suffering deeply. For them to be in that position to decide to vote for Trump, they are suffering deeply. And Trump appears as this, this magic bullet that is going to solve this profound suffering that they have been feeling. So, as a life partner to someone who is suffering so profoundly, you have to rise above and realize you're in a different place than your partner, and that it's not about having dialogue in order to get on the same page. That's just not likely the appropriate route. What I'm suggesting the appropriate route is, take some respectful space and nourish yourself. Nourish yourself very deeply. Really get in touch with your own vibe, your own vibration. your values, be able to feel the love in your heart. And so you're going to have to create a bubble in order to be able to do that. And it can be done respectfully. In fact, you could say, I am grieving about what happened in this election. I'm just going to need to take a little space to get into a better place myself. Like, it can be done as simply and as politely as that. And, I think that Trump supporters, they would understand that people that were not Trump supporters are, having a hard time now. So just take some space and get in touch with yourself, what really matters to you. Nourish yourself. Do nice things for yourself. Treat yourself with much deeper kindness than you normally do, because you really need to build your resilience. And so we don't know yet what our next steps are going to be, but right now, we just really need to create an environment where we can feel safe, where we can feel connected with ourselves, with our heart, what matters to us, and also be connected with people who are in a similar place. This is a time to develop community, develop those community connections. And that's where I'm seeing where we're at right now. It's this preparation phase. So I wanted to put that out there. And, at some point, we will find ways of perhaps engaging the Trump supporters. And, perhaps there's going to be a time of challenging them. But right now, they're happy. I don't think that they need anything from us. And we really need ourselves. We need to really build up our resilience right now. So the second call that I would just like to mention from yesterday just so deeply fed my heart. A big shout out to Eleanor in California. It was so amazing to meet you. She is just a very grounded person, and she said that she is on board with the vision that I'm putting forward, and that she's in for this journey with me. And I guess I hadn't really put it in words before that I am suggesting that we take a journey together over these next 4 years. And so it just was really amazing to connect with Eleanor, to hear that her focus right now is developing her meditation practice. And I do think that that's an important thing for us to be doing right now, is because that's an excellent way of really clearing your mind, connecting with your heart, getting grounded. It's a wonderful way to prepare, is putting some more emphasis on your meditation practice. And so I guess just to give like a heads up, to let you know that I have a trauma-informed meditation program called Heal Your Heart Through Meditation. It's a 7-week program. I myself just completed it less than a week ago. I do it every year. It's a really powerful experience to go through this 7-week program, and it gets you into a really good place. And so I've never done this before, but I am going to make my 7-week program available for free to this community, because I feel like it's a way to support you in getting into your best place possible for this journey that we have ahead. It's a really lovely program, very powerful program, deceptively powerful, because it just seems like this little fun thing that you do every day. But by the end of the program, you are in a radically more grounded, more clear, and more joyful place. So I am going to be making that available, for, like maybe a week towards the end of December. And I would really love it if you take me up on my offer of my meditation program, because I think that it can really, really be a helpful way of getting into a more grounded, more like feeling better in your heart way for this powerful journey ahead. So thank you for being in this community. Thank you for connecting in with Sanity and Light. And I am wishing you a beautiful day, and I'm intending to have a more beautiful day, having done this as one step of my getting into a really good place for the day. So sending joy and light to you. As always, welcome your comments on this unplanned, spontaneous video. And yes, we will joyfully step forward into the light and bringing light to ourselves and to those in our day. And have an awesome day.